had me from the start. By the way you stared, the way you rolled up on me, yeah, yeah. Man, I felt your energy. Wasn't used to being loved and treated differently, yeah. But something went wrong, the signals got crossed, and now we're all...
Look at it in a ponytail. Oh my goodness, this is giving, you know, classy babe. Work bae, okay? Errands bae, okay? Look how cute it is in a ponytail. Wow, I actually really love this. Darling. Hi you all, I am iamSimoneC. Welcome to my YouTube channel, or welcome back. Today's all about this gorgeous, beautiful, bouncy deep curl unit from the company Upretty Hair. I would love to thank Upretty Hair so much for sending me this gorgeous bouncy bomb unit and for sponsoring today's video. If you all are interested to see how I got this gorgeous install from start to finish, please stay tuned and keep on watching. Alright y'all, so here's their box. It just says Upretty Hair. Inside they have the specs of the unit, which is 16 inches, 13x4 lace front wig. Inside you get a stock card with their socials and how to care for the unit. And then you also get this nice silk satin bag. I just love the hearts and their logo and the emblem, so cute. Inside you get alligator clips, a straw comb, a wig cap, an edge brush, a cute floral headband, a purple bonnet, and 3D eyelashes. Super cute, all the goodies, right? So here's the unit, so pretty. Look at the curls. It is a nice bouncy deep curl texture. Again, lace frontal ear to ear. You have 4 combs placed all inside the wig, and I love that they already install a adjustable strap for you all. So let's get into installing her.
One step forward, 2 steps backwards, yeah. Immature lover who don't use big words, yeah. I don't need commenting at all because I know what I want. Baby, can't you figure it out? What's going on in your heart? What's it gonna take for you to love, take for you to love me? For you to show, take for you to show feels, yeah. I've been trying to take it slow, but my patience low. Think it's time you let me know. What's it gonna take for you to love, take for you to love me, yeah. Still getting nowhere, yeah. If winter blows here, baby, I fear we gon' disappear. Do you even want me? Do you even worry that I'm gonna love somebody else? Do you think about me when you're feeling lonely by yourself? What's it gonna take for you to love, take for you to love me? What's it gonna take for you to show, take for you to show feels, yeah. I've been trying to take it slow, but my patience low. Think it's time you let me know. What's it gonna take for you to love, take for you to love me, yeah. Backwards, yeah. Time's about run out to use those big words, yeah. I don't need commenting at all because I know what I want. Baby, dig deep, it's time to make a move on my heart. What's it gonna take for you to love, take for you to love me? What's it gonna take for you to show, take for you to show feels, yeah.
Money coming, money go. I've been at it on the low. Trapping out a while live. I keep seeing the leaders doing us. We talking plans and maybe seeing you. Pull up on you, let me scoop. Nobody here but me and you. Got a little ring to it, turn that thing fluid in the coupe. Way you look, I know it's real. I'm on my Marchand. I've been really getting feel. You know why I'm here, don't act like you don't know how I feel. But let me tell you what you mean to me. Slide on me for that meet and greet. Vibe with me under moonshine, sipping moonshine to the new sky. Sage toasted and be raised soaked in the raincoat. Hit the waves quota, I be flossing, I be locked in. Was lost here, all that turned me to a target. They be plotting on me, I be cautious. Back then I was an adolescent, then I had a lesson. I'm the man now, I got fans now, I'm on cam now. I got plans now, I'm finna branch out. Grew up quick, but never let go this year. I put all of that in my rip. Blue tin papers, blowing vapors, wooden traders. Long hair killer in my villa, bitch, I made it. Used to play the play, now I think we major now. She wanna lay me down.
Alright, y'all, so let's see what we have now. Wow, that looks so good, you all. Everything looks so seamless and nicely laid. That looks so good. Look at that. Scalp, baby. Scalp. 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 We didn't bleach the knots. We didn't pluck. We didn't do anything. I just love how this unit came pre-plucked for us. Do you see that? It's nice and pre-plucked. It's perfect. I just love Upretty Hair, you all. So let's get into styling this now, and you know, do our final touches, like adding a little bit of either powder or now lately I've been obsessed with the new Ruby Kisses foundation. It's a cream. I use the shade level 12. So I'm gonna go into the lighter shade with an angle brush and go into the part. Because I want it to look more realistic, you know what I mean? So that's why I do this. And look how realistic that looks. It's so good, right? And now mixing the two, I'm gonna do around the perimeter of the lace. And look how perfect this hair looks. I just love the natural texture. This is a Upretty's Hair new release, their new Bouncy deep curls, and I absolutely love it. So look at the curls in the back where I didn't touch. The front I touched a little bit because, you know, the manipulation with the hot combing and everything, but wow, it is absolutely gorgeous, you all. Yes. So let's go into a little bit of water, just a little bit, so we can, you know, activate the rest of the curls that we played with in the front. And look at how one side is looking with just the water, you all. Like, this is so amazing. I am loving this new texture. The perfect hair for spring and summer. Do you see it? Do you see these bouncy deep curls? Gorgeous. It's so luscious. It moves so freely. Wow. So you all know, I tell you this, every curly hair video, okay? Curly hair loves mousse. So we're gonna go in with my Nairobi foaming lotion. Not too much because I don't want a super wet look. I already like how it's looking already, but just to define the curls just a little bit more. And you know, set everything in place. And then you also know my scrunching technique. But if you're new here, I love to scrunch hair because sometimes you don't always have a diffuser around you and ready and on the go and on vacation. So use your hands, okay? So scrunch your hair and let the natural curls come back into place. Oh my goodness, and look how full the hair got already without a blow dryer. Like, it's getting full as I scrunch the hair back into place. So obsessed. So here's the difference. Both sides are so pretty. So here's the side that's a little bit more tamed. And here's the natural state of the hair. So either way, you have a beautiful style. So let me quickly go ahead and also do the same thing to the side, wet it with water. So yes, y'all, here is the completed final look. I'm absolutely in love, absolutely obsessed with this new Bouncy Deep Curl unit by Upretty Hair. So perfect for vacations, so perfect for the summer weather. Nice and lightweight, Very bouncy. Look at this. Look at this. This 16-inch is a perfect length. It's hitting me right above, like, you know, my shoulder level. And of course, curly hair is longer when it is stretched. We can also create so many different styles with this unit. You can do a side part, you know, not just down the middle because it is a lace frontal. You can do a up, you know, ponytail, a bun. With some of my curly units in the past, I like to do like my little, you know, 2 curly bangs out like this in the front, just to kind of like, you know, shape the face. And then like I'll kind of like pin some to the back like so. How cute is that? How cute is this style too? Okay, baby, okay. You can do half up, half down. Like I said, the possibilities are endless, and that's what I love about these type of units. So, you all, please, please stop what you're doing and run today. Put this in your cart, pick it up. You won't be disappointed. You will not be disappointed. Look at it in a ponytail. Oh my goodness, this is giving, you know, classy babe. Work bae, okay? Errands bae, okay? Look how cute it is in a ponytail. Wow, I actually really love this. Darling. So yes, you all, that completes today's hair install video by the brand Upretty Hair. I would love to thank Upretty Hair again so much for sending me this gorgeous bomb unit and for sponsoring today's video. If you all are interested in this unit, I'll be sure to leave it down below in the description box at your fingertips for your convenience. Please do not forget to like this video, subscribe, comment down below. Let's get a conversation going as always. Share this video with your friends and family, and you all, I will see you in the next one. Bye.